So Kickoff customer service. So if you guys need help from Kickoff, you guys can log into your account and go to your account and then click on help. And then you guys can actually type in any information there and any questions that you guys have. And then you guys can actually attach different files if you want to show them something. And then they can go ahead and email you guys back. So that's how you guys get in contact with them. You guys can also email them directly. If you just want to send them an email, then you guys can email them directly. I was hoping to be able to show you guys like my account with this, but it has my address on there and it's a lot of personal information. I can't show you guys, but click right here on your account at the bottom and then you'll see that place where I say you guys can do the customer service. But you definitely can email them. I wish they had a number that you guys can just call and talk to them. I know we were doing Kickoff versus Self, and Self has customer service. You guys can talk to them. They're on the phone, so I do like that. So if we're going to compare them, then